So, you want to hit the road, get out of the city and off the grid? The Goal Zero Escape ecosystem is the ultimate off-grid renewable power solution for your towable or drivable adventure vehicle. Once it's installed in your trailer, RV, or van, you can stay totally off-grid for days on end wherever you go. Each package is built with a Yeti PRO 4000, the escape remote display to control the power system, and everything needed to tie into your vehicle's wiring. You can increase your off-grid power supply by adding Tank Pro 4000 expansion batteries, and stay off-grid even longer by charging the Yeti PRO with mountable and portable solar panels. You can also charge the Yeti from the vehicle alternator, shore power, or 7-pin integration. With an Escape integration kit, you can run everything in your RV from your air conditioner to your microwave, including standard 12-volt DC lights and water pumps to AC outlets for coffee makers, CPAPs, and other devices. This scalable system is built for convenient off-grid power in a wide variety of recreational vehicles, so you can go further and stay out longer.